Welcome to Auto Pulse, the channel where legends on two wheels come alive. And today we are diving into one of the most beautiful and iconic superbikes ever created, the MV Agusta F4. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a rolling piece of Italian art, a machine that blends racing DNA, breathtaking design, and raw performance into a single unforgettable experience. Even years after its debut, the MV Agusta F4 still turns heads, sparks emotion, and holds a special place in the hearts of true bike lovers. And in this video, we will explore why this bike is considered a timeless masterpiece in the superbike world. The legacy of MV Agusta F4. The MV Agusta F4 is more than a model name. It represents the rebirth of a legendary Italian brand that once ruled Grand Prix racing. When the F4 was first unveiled in the late 1990s, it marked MV Agusta's dramatic return to the superbike scene after years of absence, and it instantly shook the motorcycle world. Designed under the guidance of the legendary Massimo Tamburini, the same genius behind icons like the Ducati 916, the F4 carried a soul rooted in racing heritage and Italian passion. It wasn't built just to compete on spec sheets. It was built to inspire desire, to show the world that motorcycles could be both brutally fast and visually stunning. Over the years, the F4 became a symbol of exclusivity, craftsmanship, and uncompromising performance, cementing its legacy as one of the most respected superbikes ever produced. Design and aesthetic. When it comes to design, the MV Agusta F4 is often described as one of the most beautiful motorcycles ever made, and that praise is well-deserved. Every line, curve, and angle feels intentional, sculpted with an artist's eye rather than just an engineer's ruler. The sharp front fairing, aggressive twin headlights, flowing body panels, and that iconic single-sided swing arm all come together to create a bike that looks fast even when standing still. One of the most famous design elements of the F4 is its underseat quad exhaust system, for perfectly shaped pipes that not only look stunning but also give the bike a unique visual identity. The attention to detail is everywhere, from the elegant wheels to the premium paint finish, making the F4 feel more like a handcrafted exotic machine than a mass-produced motorcycle. Engine and performance. At the heart of the MV Agusta F4 lies a high-revving inline-four engine that delivers thrilling performance with a distinctive Italian character. Depending on the version and generation, the F4's engine produces serious horsepower, screaming its way to high RPMs with a sound that is pure mechanical music. Power delivery is sharp and aggressive, designed for riders who appreciate precision and excitement rather than relaxed cruising. The engine feels alive, responsive to every twist of the throttle, and eager to unleash its full potential on open roads or racetracks. Acceleration is fierce, top speed is impressive, and the overall performance places the F4 firmly among the elite superbikes of its era, proving that MV Agusta focused not only on beauty, but also on delivering true high-performance credentials. Technology and features. For its time, the MV Agusta F4 was packed with advanced technology that reflected its premium positioning. Features like advanced fuel injection, high-quality suspension components, powerful Brembo braking systems, and race-inspired chassis geometry made the F4 a serious performance machine. Later versions introduced even more refined electronics, improved engine management, traction control, and lightweight materials to enhance both performance and safety. MV Agusta's focus was always on precision engineering, using top-tier components rather than chasing mass-market convenience. The result is a bike